Thank you, Chetan. Dignitaries on the dais and dear friends, will not be making any presentation, but of course will be bringing out some thought-provoking ideas to see at least you can think on those lines till tomorrow morning. Of course, Chetan has brought out Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission, 60,000 crores. How it started? It started simply because one of the file which was already approved by the minister was to be sent to the Planning Commission for approval of the accelerated urban water supply scheme for next 10 years. I had joined in 2004 the urban development, and I went to the minister and secretary, of course, also. And in Khanna, I said, sir, what urban means? The urban means only a population of 20,000 people, that's all. Because there the water supply and all infrastructure facilities were only up to 20,000 people. That was called as per the census or for the mega cities. Now there are towns starting from, means if government is doing, then it should be from 0 to infinity. The file was stopped. Secretary said, if you think, go and ask the minister if he agrees to your proposal not to send the file to the Planning Commission, and what we'll do during this transitory phase. Convince the minister, and that's how the Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission came, and that has changed, of course, the urban area of the country. Of course, I was also associated with your CNG gas, which you see. The DTC was converted when I was looking after the DTC 2001 to 2003. This entire into totally, I should say, the climate-friendly fuel, which of course Australians otherwise are not coming, but that time they refused because the Delhi city is too polluted to play. Now is the IT. The one thing, of course, great about IT is rather than the people coming to the doors of the government, we should reach to the people. That's what, at least in Delhi, we are endeavoring to do, and we will be successful. Many of our, public-private partnership, I was associated with formulation of this particular concept itself when I was in the urban development. We are in a democratic country. Our democracy should be in thought, in actions, in process, in our daily life. Public-private partnership is nothing but democracy in commercial terms. Involve the public, involve the people's money, resource mobilization, and they should be the partner in growth. And they will be partner in growth if they feel that they have a stakes not only in terms of using the resources, but also in terms of contributing to the resources. One great thing like which I have achieved here in the Delhi government is, I think many of you may not be aware, for the forthcoming Commonwealth Games, and of course they will be there, the secure communication we have already provided. The secure communication in terms of, presently you see the MCD is holding a different mobile set, wireless set, Delhi Police different mobile set, NDMC different, Divisional Commissioners different. Everybody is having their own sort of a communication system. And when the Sarojini Nagar blast took place, the tragedy was the Home Secretary could not speak to the Chief Secretary could not speak to the Chief Minister, the Chief Minister could not speak to the Home Minister. Everybody was, of course, having the communication device in their hand. The mobiles were the system was not able to take that much of traffic. The landline was all engaged. And Chief Secretary has actually, he went in his car to the area, saw the situation and came back and then briefed the Chief Minister. That was the system. Even if we all sitting here, anybody ask anybody VIP's number, I think it's difficult. Even DCP may not be knowing the number of the Special Police Commissioner of some other zone. Or the Police Commissioner may not be knowing the name of the ACP of a particular area where something has taken place. Now what the Delhi government has done, we have taken the license from the DOT, and that will be the TETRA system. The TETRA system is the most advanced secure communication, which was used, of course, in the Melbourne in China, and in 2012 London Olympics also. All the government agencies will be using the same system. We will be providing the system to them on rental basis. Government of Delhi has not spent a single money. It's basically, if the PPP has to be successful, it's basically should be drafted properly. Like if a egg breaks from outside force, the life ends. If it breaks from within, the life begins. If your PPP drafting is good, if the model has been correctly prepared, the system will be successful. In this, the entire system will be set up by HCL Motorola on the global tender basis, conducted on the e-tender platform. The platform itself computed the electronic tender system, carried out the entire scrutiny. Now, something like 45 base stations will be set up, 10,000 sets will be used, including the organizing committee, the Delhi police and everybody. And for the next 7 years, the Delhi police itself may not have been able to do that modernization which we have done for the Delhi police. The Delhi police will be totally on the Tetra, and the next advanced version of the communication system is TED, which still is on the drawing board. In Norway, it is being experimented. And once it is approved, then the TED automatically will be here in 2012. So this is one of the PPP model in which, without spending anything, the system is there, and the rental per set will be paid by the agencies, whichever agency is using it, NDMC or MC. There are 18 agencies who will be using it. And the best part is, entire agencies, now the coordination is already there on the system, and there can be groups, subgroups, big groups. Like there can be a group like of the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister, the Lieutenant Governor, a Home Minister, one. There can be hundred of groups that can be formed in the system. But the entire secure communication, that will be now on a PPP mode and without investing of money. Another is the citizen-centric service, of course, Department of IT pet project. Somewhere it is successful, somewhere not. But in Delhi, of course, definitely we have a partner, 3i Infotech, which is like, I should not say a racing horse, but we are ensuring that if it doesn't run, then the other leg should also be, of course, put in the hospitalized condition. One thing, of course, what happens is the question like you have asked that the small partner, why they are not being able to come up, is the government cannot play with the citizens of the country. The citizens have reposed faith, aspirations, and also the projects which are to come over a period of time. Survival of the fittest, of course, but at the same time, we do have to nurture the young upcoming generation. But then there is always thing like DBOOT, design, build, own, operate, transfer. We have been, of course, facilitating and also encouraging. If a person is willing to bring a design which really can help bring out some sort of improvement, efficiency, efficacy, invest the money, do the thing, and then go away. Similarly, now we are doing it for the entire excise. The entire excise department, where the bottles come, the liquor, entire will be on the 2D barcode system. And the 2D barcode system, it's not that the government will spend the money. The entire money will be spent by of course, on the basis of the RFP, whosoever gets the bid, they will be spending the money. They will be putting the hardware and the software, and in turn will be collecting whatever, like a toll tax, 20%, 30% additional cost over a period of whatever lease period that has been assigned to. Large number of projects we are now thinking of bringing on DBOOT basis. There is another project, of course, I was telling Mr. D. Mitra how the planning will be done. I think none of us here may be aware that I already have mapped the entire Delhi over the ground, on the ground, and below the ground. There is something machine called TerraVision machine which cost 4 crore, and in 1 kilometer it covers 1 crore. 1 kilometer is covered in 1 hour. And this entire 1500 square kilometer of Delhi has been mapped. All your urban utilities, basically your water supply, your sewerage, your all communication wires or gas pipelines, they all have been mapped. Simply because Delhi being an old city, many of the old maps, infrastructure maps, when I was in urban development, I saw are not available. Now the entire connectivity is available. Over the ground, the entire all the buildings have been